What's up, everyone? Richie Grossbuster Soft Wash here. I don't think everybody quite understands what soft washing really is, especially in my area. So I'm gonna give you a quick description and show you kind of what we do. We all know the guys that show up to your house with a pressure washer and just blow basically the algae, the mold, mildew, things like that. It just blows the color of it basically off the side of your house and makes your home look good again. What it doesn't do is kill the spores that are on the surface. So in a few months time, it comes right back and you have to call them out there again. So with a soft washing, what we do is we have a couple different cleaning agents that we spray on very softly. It's a run off a 12-volt pump. It's about 60 psi. It's no more than like a rainstorm hitting your house, and I'll demonstrate that here in just a second. You'll be able to see. So very easy on your home, very easy on your roof. It's not like having someone come out and hit it with a 3,000 or 4,000 or better psi pressure washer and taking a chance on damaging your siding, damaging your roof, damaging different items in your house, on your house, blowing water in your house. Heard horror stories of that. So give you a quick demo right quick of exactly what soft washing is. As you can see here, soft wash wand, very, very gently. Very gently. Just spray it on. Like a rain hitting your home. Sometimes these take a couple applications, depending on how dirty the home is, how much algae and stuff is on the home. But we'll get it taken care of. So we'll come back. Might do a quick time lapse of this. Actually, it's pretty much, we can just, won't take very long here to hit this side. I'll get this in just a second. Just a quick pass up here as the water doesn't get in. And we just make sure it's good and coated. As you can see, it's already lightening up. But what our process does, it actually kills the spores. So it'll die out and it'll stay nice and clean for a long time. We do give a warranty with it. If anything comes back within 12 months, we will come out free of charge and take care of it. So there's other guys besides us around that do soft washing. I'm not saying not use them. We'd appreciate it if you'd use us. You can use whoever you choose. But it's just a quick demonstration of what we do. So just be careful when you hire people to come out and clean your home. Vet them. Make sure, you know, they've been doing this. Make sure they're doing more than just blowing the side of your house with high pressure and causing damage to your home. Make sure they're insured. Make sure they're licensed. You know, a lot of people out here doing this on the side, they don't have the proper equipment. They don't have the proper cleaning agents. They don't have the proper insurance. If they damage something on your home, they don't have any way to repair it. Now, like I said, I'm not the only guy in town who is able to do that stuff. So, you know, feel free to pick and choose. There's several reputable companies around. So that's the difference in, you know, your $100 guy coming out and just blowing the stuff off of your home and possibly damaging your home, and what we do with actual soft washing. So I'll come back in a few minutes with a quick video afterwards and you can see exactly what it does. All right, we're back. As you can see, it's already an amazing difference. All that algae and stuff is gone. We're gonna come through and just give it a final rinse. Make sure everything gets good and clean. Like I said, some applications, sometimes, depending on how long it's been there and how dirty a home or building is, it may take a couple applications, but that's all right. We'll take care of that. Now, a lot of it, you see how the gutters are. A lot of this stuff comes off, but there's still some of that black looking tiger striping stuff. That comes with our gutter cleaning that we offer. That is a different service because that is oxidation. So it's actually an oxidation removal process. But we can handle that as well. But your basic soft wash is going to take care of, it's going to clean, it's going to sanitize all of your basic organic mold, mildew, algae, all that good stuff. Viruses, not that your house is sick, but you know, it'll take care of that stuff too. But that's the basics of a soft wash. You can see how hard it hits. There's really nothing to it. See if I can hold it here. Just nothing. See, I can stick my hand in front of it. I mean, it's really no pressure to it whatsoever. Really soft and gentle on your home. Thanks for watching. We'd look forward to your business.